Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel using Canva and step by step. So it will be an beginner friendly and perfect for 2025. So whether you are designing for your brand or client or your own content, you will learn how to make carousel that look smooth, professional, and scroll perfectly on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be understanding seamless carousel. Before we open Canva, what actually is seamless carousel? It is a multi-site Instagram post, usually 108 pixel by 1350 pixel, where content flows horizontally across the lines. No hard cuts, no misalignment. The final post gives a scrolling experience that looks like one continuous design, not 10 separate images. You can use this for storytelling, tips, portfolios, promotions, or step-by-step tutorials. Then let's set the right dimension. So let's open Canva and set up our carousel Canva. You just need to go to the canva.com and click on custom size. Once you click over here, then for an Instagram post, set dimension to weight will be 10. It will be the pixel one, so you just need to be at the width will be this, and then the height will be 1350. Dimension must be list this one. So now you just need to be click on this create new design. Once you've done, then eventually you will get the design. So here you just need to do the resize. So I will click over here, and from that place I will click to the custom size again, and I will get that one, and then I will click this one. So the width will be the horizontal. So here you can see it. You just need to select that one, and here you just need to click this one. So again, let's try to do it again. So 1350, and then here you will get the here. Just need to click this one, and your slide will be created. Also, you can search in Google also to find it the real one. So the size will be this one, 4320. This is the perfect size. I already did mathematics, then I find out you just need to click over here, and the slide will be created for you. As you can see how amazing that one. So now if you are doing 5 slide, use 540, like with each slide is 1080 pixel width. Then you now have a one big horizontal canvas. This part you will design the entire carousel in one go, perfectly seamless. Then you just need to add guides to split slides. To make sure each slide lines up, we need guides. Open Canva, then go to the file. Like here, you just need to click this one, and from that place, you just need to click on show guides. So here, you just need to find it down. Just click over here, and then here you will find out show margin or show rulers and guides. Here you will see that one, and drag vertical guides from the ruler to mark each 108 pixel increment. First add 1080 pixel, then 2160 pixel, and then 3240 pixel, all the way to 1080 pixel. This guide represents where each individual slide begins and ends. This helps you design each sections while keeping everything visually connected. Now let's talk about the design your carousel. Now the fun part, design your carousel. Here is how to keep it seamless. Background, use one image for gradient across to enter with. Let's say I'm going to search the gradient here, gradient, and you will get a couple of elements in here. You can use all of them in that place. So it's totally on to you. So I'm going to increase that image in here, and you will see that seamless thing looks really great, and you just need to place it quietly. Once you place that image, you will find it out in this way, and you can add more shapes and lines, like let's elements blend from one panel into the next. So here you just need to add text blocks, like keep headers within each 180 pixel slide, but Feel free to add arrows or design elements to bridge the gap between slides. Then use repetition. Keep fonts, colors, and icon consistent for brand identity. Example, like you can add slide 1 title like this way. You just need to go over here to title, and then you just need to provide it in here, and then you can give a title subscribe, and then you just need to be added font so it look quite good. Here I'm going to add this one Sunday, and then here you can add images like stylish image, and here you just need to click over here to photos, and from that place I'm going to copy this one. Then you just need to place it properly so it looks quite good in that place. So here this way you just need to replace your all images one by one. Then design all slide as if it is one giant string, not disconnected panels. Then you just need to slide the carousel into slides. Once you are done designing the full canvas, it's time to slice it into individual posts. Canva does not slide images automatically, so here is how to do it. You just need to use Canva Frames manual method. Create a new Instagram post size file 1080 pixel and copy post each segment from the original canvas using the guides. Save each as slide 1, slide 2, etc. Then use free slicing tool, like you download your full design and go to the free site like pin tools. Here let's say we're going to search one pin tools, and here you can see that one is the online tools. You can split image online. Here we have a couple of options. So from that place, let's say I'm going to click on split image online. You just need to you will download that image. Here I am going to download that one, and here similarly I am going to paste the text in that place. So the text will be, oh, don't forget to like, don't forget to like. And then I will add an image in here, and then I will place it as it wisely. Now you just need to be download this one as it in PNG. So I'll click over here, and then let's click to the download, and you just need to be upload this image in here pin tool. Here you just need to choose it, just click over here, and from that place you just need to be select that one, and then you just need to be use how to split vertically. You just click over here, and here already been downloaded. You just need to be download it, and here you will see the eventual result. Let's open this one. If you feel that it quite good, then you can go with that one. So it is vertically, so I want to do the horizontal. Let's try to do it again, and just click row column 1, and let's see. Now you can see it looks quite good. This way you can slice all these images in your Canva by using pin tools. So if you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and that's how you can create a seamless Instagram carousel using Canva in 2025. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.